है ना?
Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bete, I've already and always told you that your link will be pasted in your announcement. I posted that around 11:25, but still waiting for your CEOs to share it with you. For future references, आप खुद ही access कर सकते हैं, आपके announcement section में available हो जाएगा. 5 या 3 से at least 3 minutes before the commencement of class. Anyway, I can see 23 people have joined in. We'll wait for another 2 minutes for everyone to join, and then we continue the same discussion that we had yesterday. Where I think talking about summarization and paraphrasing. So we'll continue the same discussion after 2 minutes. Okay, so let's continue. So yesterday, I think we were done with the first section. I clearly shared with you that paraphrasing has a checklist and there are four musts that one should be able to use, that it should be in your own words, and how paraphrase is a technique that may be used in so many aspects of your learning and professional purposes or perspectives. Right? So we'll take a look at one of the examples. We have original text at the left, ठीक है, और राइट पे हमारे पास एक पैराफ्रेज्ड वर्जन है. Just to give you a quick reminder of what is paraphrasing and what to remember about it. Remember, a paraphrase is a restatement or a rewording of original text. The length of the paraphrased version must stay the same or it could increase from the original text, which means if the original text is in 200 words, your paraphrase must be 200 words or maybe more than that. Paraphrasing, although इतनी extensive होती नहीं है, it can be, it is usually less than that. Thirdly, if you're paraphrasing, no interpretation, evaluation, or point of view should be added. Original text should be held intact. That is the basics of paraphrasing that you need to remember. So the original text, there is a reference given that it is written by Alison Torota from her book, and the book's name is Plagiarism, the Best Defense in a Good Offense. Information today. Okay, it's a research article and date लिखी हुई है etc. तो ये हमारा एक reference हो जाता है. Original text says plagiarism does not only happen in student essays. In March 2013, the National Science Foundation began investigating nearly 100 potential cases of plagiarism within its funded proposals. In the same month, Jane Goodall's new book, Seeds of Hope, Wisdom, and Wonder from the World of Plants, was delayed due to at least a dozen uncited passages that were reportedly taken from multiple sources, according to Stephen Levinson's Washington Post article on March 19, 2013. So, this is our original text, and you can see that there are many references, book names are given, and when finally we are setting a pitch to actually um, paraphrase it, we must make sure that we are not mixing the original text with the paraphrased version. Paraphrased version में भी हमारे पास जो word order है वो different होना लाजमी है. Okay, 96, 98. Keep yourself muted, बेटे. We don't need to listen to what you're doing at your end. ठीक है? जब आपसे कोई बात आपने बात करनी है, you may raise your hand and then you can talk. Otherwise, keep yourself mute. ताकि कोई डिस्टॉर्शन ना हो क्रिएट. ठीक है, अब इसकी जो एग्जाम्पल लिखी हुई है, in so many cases what do the students do? They go line by line. For example, they read the first line, that is plagiarism doesn't only happen in the student essays. तो वो इसी सिचुएशन या इसी तरह से पहली लाइन को इसी तरह से पैराफ्रेज कर देते हैं. That does not leave a good impression. That can easily fall under the realm of plagiarism और आप उसमें मिस्टेक कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपका जो पैराफ्रेज है वो प्रॉपर नहीं होगा. तो therefore you should always use the third person narration in order to start it. For example, Alison Trotta illustrates in her article Plagiarism, etc., etc., that the act of omission, otherwise known as plagiarism, is not solely relegated to classroom essays. अब ये बात वही कर रही है, पैराफ्रेज जो है हमारा गुड एग्जाम्पल जो पहली लाइन में है, बट इसमें सारा रेफरेंस है. And then second line is inquiries were made in March of 2013 by the National Science Foundation into at least 100 examples of plagiarism in research proposals. She also observed that during that time period, Steve Levinston of the Washington Post notes that there are nearly a dozen plagiarized passages that can be found in Jane Goodall's new book, Seeds of Hope, Wisdom, Wonder from the World of Plants. आपने देखा कि अगर आप apparently देखें, if you're just looking at it, the original text is less in terms of word count and the paraphrased version is more. So, paraphrase as a technique is utilized in order to critique, not critique, in order to explain or clarify the meaning. So, यही इस good example में आपको पता चल रहा है. Same words इस्तेमाल नहीं किए गए. If you look at the second sentence where they talk about 100 potential cases of plagiarism within its फंडेड प्रपोजल, इसको कैसे पैराफ्रेज किया है? उन्होंने लिखा है एटलीस्ट 100 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्लेजरिज्म इन रिसर्च प्रपोजल्स. उन्होंने एज इट इज फंडेड प्रपोजल्स यूज नहीं किया, केसेस ऑफ प्लेजरिज्म को उन्होंने एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्लेजरिज्म कर दिया. तो इस तरह से आपने इसको चेंज करना है. Now, this is a bad example of it. You'll see too much similarity with the original one. Alison Trotter, I'm reading the bad example written at the right. Alison Trotter states in her article, Plagiarism, the best defense is a good offense, that student essays are not the only place of plagiarism. The NSF began inquiries in March and etc. The cases of plagiarism which was founded in funded research proposals. अब देखिए उन्होंने funded proposal के बीच में एक word add कर दिया. That is not a good technique. Okay, there is a hand raise. Yes, 98. What's the question? 98. कोई सवाल है बेटे? Your hand is raised. Hmm, 98. Are you there? लेकिन एक क्लासें लगा कर सो जाते हैं आप लोग और फिर आपको पता भी नहीं है कि हाउ टू यूज द क्लास. Anyway, so we were talking about the bad example of the paraphrase. 98 का नाम मैं note कर लूँ because I would like to talk to them on campus. See? Okay, so this is how paraphrase is done. If you have any questions from paraphrasing technique, please go ahead and ask. कोई सवाल हो तो पूछे. इसी इसी डिस्कशन की बेसिस पे बेटे क्लास एक्टिविटीज होंगी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. तो पढ़ कर आएंगे तो ही हो पाएगी. इनफैक्ट लेट्स टर्न दिस इनटू अ क्विज. एक सेकंड क्विज तो लेना ही है. आपका जो सेकंड क्विज है वो रीडिंग स्किल्स. बल्कि मैं आपको लेक्चर नंबर भी बता देती हूँ. एक मिनट. ओके, आई विल पोस्ट इट later in your class. Clearly आपके lectures भी mention हो जाएंगे. Just remember that you have a quiz in the next class. That is going to be held on 15th of October. Next point is, okay, any questions from paraphrasing? 66. No, that was not part of quiz. आपने जो रीडिंग एक्टिविटी दी थी जहाँ कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज थी तो आपने उसका इन्फोग्राफिक बनाया था, राइट? तो दैट वाज अ क्लास एक्टिविटी, नॉट अ क्विज. देन यू शुड ट्राई एंड रिकनेक्ट. आप रिकनेक्ट होने की कोशिश करें. Okay, if there are no questions, I'll move forward. Next is summarization. Now, summarization is a presentation of a body material um, in a condensed form or by reducing to its main points. It comes from Middle English and Latin words that you can see, that's its etymology, point of origin, and a condensed version of an original passage or writing. It provides only the main points and eliminates the extra details, जो कि usually supporting details होती हैं. However, ये आपने clearly याद रखना है, a summary is considerably shorter than the original text. Ideal summary, ideal objective summary is 50% of the original text. However, there could be specific questions asking you to summarize the paragraph in only 3 lines or 50 words. वो फिर एक specific information आपको जब मिल जाए तो वो आप उस तरह से follow कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, if it is written that summarize the following passage or a paragraph, you're supposed to use the simple rule where your length of the summary should be 50% of the original texts, which simply means if the original text has 100 words, your summary will keep 50 words. Just like paraphrasing, summarization also has um, a checklist where you're supposed to read, identify the main points, and then you're going to rewrite the main pointers from the original work. And then you're going to compare your produced summary with the vision test, which means the original work must be twice the size as your work, as your summary, as compared to your summary. If you feel like it's not the case, then you have to revisit and shrink it or make it appropriate. These are the four musts of summarization. It has to be in your own words. Being in your own words does not mean that you're going to add any interpretation or understanding or point of view. You're just going to change the sentence structure. It has to be shorter by half of the original passage. It may contain words from the original work, but if you are going to use words from the original text, you must use the quotation marks. आपको quotation marks को यूज करना है. जैसे ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट में फंडेड प्रपोजल लिखा है और आप अपने समरी में यही वर्ड यूज इस्तेमाल ये फ्रेज यूज करना चाहते हैं तो इसे इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखेंगे, कोटेशन मार्क्स में लिखेंगे. And you must keep the original meaning intact. You're going to keep the original meaning intact और कोई point of view add नहीं करना है आपने. That is the important part. अच्छा, जिसको आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटे आप rejoin करें. You should have a stable internet. हाँ हो सकता है किसी एरिया में ना भी आ रहा हो. That's all right. This is being recorded. You can listen to it later on if you have missed a point or two. Now this is the example of summarized version. The original text is the same that we used for paraphrasing. Now let's read the good example of summary. Alison Trotter, in her article, says that plagiarism is not a solely classroom occurrence. She notes that in March 2013, both the National Science Foundation and Washington Post reported multiple plagiarism incidences by professional. अब देखिए उसने कोई भी important बात छोड़ी नहीं. NSF का बात भी कर मेंशन कर दिया, वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट की बात भी कर दी. However, एनएसएफ ने क्या फाइंड किया, किस में फाइंड किया, जिसको इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए दे कैन गो टू द ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट एंड फाइंड आउट. सो वो एक सपोर्टिंग डिटेल थी. तो इस तरह से you can write your summary. Now, if you look at this one, this is the bad example of summary. You can see that there are only a difference of two or one or a half line, or that's not a good look. 50% होनी चाहिए. अगर आप good example को देखें तो वो half है, लेकिन ये half नहीं है. तो length जो है वो considerably कम होनी चाहिए. Or is bad example may they have used the similar words which are there in original text. For example, in the second line, this says, in March, the National Science Foundation began an investigation into almost 100 incidents of plagiarism contained in its funded proposals. So within its funded proposals, exact same wording use हो रही है. So that's not a good look for summary. इसलिए you have to make sure that you're using different word choices. फिर आगे अगर नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाएं तो उसमें भी सेम वर्ड्स जो ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट में है उन्हीं को इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. सो दिस इज द बैड एग्जांपल ऑफ Summary. This is the work cited. These are the references. You can go online and practice more. And this is the basic difference between summary and paraphrase from pedia.com. और आप इसे पढ़ सकते हैं कि summary is a brief statement, paraphrase is rewording. Summary is shorter than the original text, paraphrase is longer than a summary, or it is the same length, such as the original text, or maybe more than that. Summary can be selective, paraphrase has to be specific. Summary condenses the text, and paraphrase is able to clarify and explain the text, etc. तो ये basic difference है summary writing and paraphrase writing में. Abhite, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask. Because Pete, I'm not speaking. I've given you time to reconsider if you have any questions. कोई सवाल है तो पूछे। Okay, if it is blurred, I'll take your word for it. यहाँ तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है बेटा. You can rejoin, try and rejoin. It is being recorded. आप बाद में सुन लीजिएगा. Okay, I've posted the announcement as well about your quiz. Lecture number 17, 18, and 19 has to be prepared. That is again all of the practices based on summarization and paraphrasing itself. तो वो आपने prepare करके आनी है. 15th of October को आपका ये quiz है, which is Wednesday's class. Come prepared, do not be late. Okay, let's take your attendance and then आगे चलते हैं. Okay, when your name is taken, only then unmute yourself in order to answer as present, right? Abdullah Naeem,
Present.
Ahmed Hassan,
Present.
Anas Shamrez, Ayan Hafiz,
Present.
Aisha Abbasi, Azan Rashid, Ashtar Nawaz Khan,
Present.
Faisal Rahman, Izza Saeed,
Present, ma'am.
Hasnain Ahmed Bhatti,
Present, ma'am.
Ikra Iqbal,
Present, ma'am.
Mahnoor Ayaz, Mamoon Asif,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Ayan,
Present.
Muhammad Abdullah Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Ali Mansoor, Muhammad bin Fazl,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Mahad Saeed,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Maaz bin Mujahid,
Present.
Muhammad Noor Wasim, Muhammad Qasim, Muhammad Sabi Mansoor Paracha,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Sharah Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Sibtain, Muhammad Umar Farooq, Muhammad Yasin Tariq.
Present.
Okay. Kambar,
Present, ma'am.
Rabia Zulfikar,
Present, ma'am.
Rumesa Jamil,
Present, ma'am.
Salman Behram,
Present, ma'am.
Sana Shahid,
Present, ma'am.
Shahir Usmani,
Present, ma'am.
Shoaib Hassan, Sayyid Muhammad Abdullah Shah,
Present, ma'am.
Sayyida Sajjal Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Umaima Wasif,
Present.
Zainab Zainab Sajid,
Present.
Zishan Butt, Abdul Rahman, Iman, Muhammad Salim,
मैम
उसके
सलीम
सिग्नल
प्रेजेंट था, वो बार बार उसका माइक जो है ना वो सॉरी उसकी क्लास जो है वो रिकनेक्ट हो रही है, नेट इशू है।
कौन?
सलीम।
अच्छा, सलमान याकूब,
Present.
ईशल फातिमा,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
मोहम्मद ज़ईम,
Present.
नूरुलैन, नूरुलैन है, वेरिया यूसुफ,
प्रेजेंट।
सैफ अहमद,
Present.
अब्दी सलान, मोहम्मद हुजैफा अरशद।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
ठीक है बेटा।
मैम 042 प्रेजेंट है, उसका माइक का इशू है, उसका माइक बंद है,
क्यों बंद है? वाई?
डिसेबल हुआ हुआ है, वो उन्होंने चैट बॉक्स में भी मैसेज किया है।
42, लेट मी सी। नहीं, डिसेबल तो नहीं है।
तरफ से उनकी तरफ से कोई इशू है माइक का।
Acha, 42 and 54. By the next online class, if you do not have a functional mic, your attendance will not be considered. ठीक है, इसको ठीक कराएं, जो भी इशू है सीखें उसे करेक्ट करें।
मैम 032 ने भी क्लास ज्वाइन की हुई थी, उनका नेट का इशू है तो लीव हो गया। अजान का भी यही मसला है, बहुत सारे मसला बच्चों का ये मसला है कि उनके उधर जो है ना वो नेट नहीं है तो क्लास बार बार रिकनेक्ट हो रही है।
ओके, तो उनसे कहें कि वो सीआर या जीआर को अपनी लिस्ट भेज दें, नाम भेज दें, तो फिर मैं देख लेती हूँ।
ओके मैम, मैं आपको फिर नेम सेंड कर देती हूँ।
ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर कुड बी इंटरनेट उन्होंने बंद किया हो सकता है, डेफिनेटली। ओके, एनी क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव? अगर कोई सवाल है तो पूछें। जी बेटे, if there are no questions, then I would like to end the class. If there are none, please write in the chat box all clear.